National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lakeview to near Gallivant's Ferry, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Whiteville, Mullins, Horry, Tabor City, Loris, Chadbourne, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Hallsboro, Adrian, Redbug, Gateway, Rains, Southeastern Community College, Williams, Goretown, Gallivant's Ferry, Cherry Grove, Molly and Sydney. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.